Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pink in the XX3. So today I'm doing an unboxing video with my Ipsy. So that's going to be really fun. So we're going to get started. So I just have to open this part. So guys, let me get this out. This is a really pretty bag. So now we're going to unzip it. I think this is nail polish. Yes, it is. So look at this. It's really pretty. Since I already have like glitter nail polish on, we're going to put this on tomorrow maybe. If the glitter nail polish comes off by tomorrow. So we're going to put that to the side. Let's see. What is this? It's baby powder, I think. I don't know what I added, but something that's a powder. Ooh, foundation. This will come in handy because I don't have this. So I want to keep this, okay? And look at this. This is just a little card. So this, we'll see. I have no idea what this is. This might be an oil, but I don't know what it is.
It's facial toner.
Okay, so next, this is the very last thing.
Ooh.
Let's see. I don't know what this is. Maybe eyebrows?
Eyeliner or eyebrow pencil?
That's what I was thinking.
Ooh.
It's eyebrows.
How do you know?
Because look, here's the brown, the side where you do boom boom, and here's the brush over here.
Show me how you use that.
Let's see. So you put it on your eyebrow. And put it on your other eyebrow. Then take this side, brush it out. The products, I love them for this week. And I can't wait to put them on in my second video that I'm going to do after this video is done. So it's going to be fun. I'm going to get set up. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, thumbs up. Go see my other channel. And bye, YouTube.